Hello friends, welcome to Ayush Academy. Today I am going to teach you a very important chapter of class 12 mathematics, matrices and determinants. A 6 marks question comes from this chapter and also a 4 marks question comes from this chapter in boards exam. So it is very important to master this chapter for boards and also for IITG exam. So let's restart. So what's it is a matrix? Matrix is a set of m into n numbers arranged in the form of an ordered set of m rows and n columns is called m into n matrix. For example, you can see I have written here A is equal to, this is called matrix sign, and here it is written A11 for first row first column, A12 and so on. And here as we go move along, here you can see for first row and second column, here is A21, A22 and so on, and here we move on. You can see I have written here rows and here is columns for better understanding, where Aij represents the element at the intersection of ith row and jth column, and m into n is the order of the matrix. For example, this is a 3 into 3 matrix because there are 3 rows and 3 columns, so here it is 3 into 3 matrix. Okay, now we will understand the types of matrices. First type is square matrix, a matrix in which the number of rows is equal to number of columns is square matrix. For example, you can see is here it is A is equal to 1 2 0 5. Here it is 2 rows and 2 columns, so here it is order written also 2 into 2, and also here another matrix B is equal to 1 minus 1 2 3 5 minus 7 4 0 0, and it is 3 into 3 matrix because there are 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so second type, horizontal matrix, matrix in which number of columns are more than number of rows. Here you can see there are 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, now we move on. Vertical matrix, the number of rows is more than number of columns. Here you can see there are 3 rows but 2 columns. Okay, now row matrix, matrix having only one row is called row matrix. Here you can see row 1. Okay, one row. Okay, another column matrix, matrix having one column is called column matrix, one column and 3 rows. Okay, diagonal matrix, a square matrix A where ai into j into n is called a diagonal matrix, where aij is equal to 0 for I is not equal to j. A diagonal matrix of order n into n having d to its diagonal elements is denoted by diagonal d1 d2 and so on. I will make you understand if you didn't get it. Okay, now you can see, for example, I have written first matrix 1 0 0 2, it is of order 2 into 2. I hope you understand. Here you can see its diagonal is 1 and 2. Okay, now another matrix I have taken, this is 3 into 3 matrix, and you can see the diagonal elements is 1 minus 1 and 0. This is what we call diagonal matrix. Okay, now we move on. Scalar matrix, a scalar matrix is a matrix in which the diagonal elements is equal and all other elements of the matrix is 0. Okay, here you can see only the diagonal elements 2 2. I have taken all the examples. It is 2 2 2 and others are 0 0. Okay, now we move. Identity or unit matrix, identity matrix is also like scalar matrix, but here is only the difference of the diagonal elements. Here you can see I have taken 2 into 2 matrix, where you can see that only diagonal elements are filled, and here the elements in number is 1 and 1. You in identity matrix the diagonal elements is always 1 and 1. Okay, you can see also another matrix I have taken I3, where 3 into 3 is m into n. Okay, and the diagonal means in 1 1 1. Okay, now we move on. Null matrix, a matrix in which the all elements of the matrix is 0 is null matrix. Okay, you can see 0 0 0 0. Okay, now upper triangular matrix, a square matrix A is equal to I into J is called an upper triangular matrix for is if Aij for all I is greater than J. I will make you understand this if you don't get it. Here you can see I have taken a matrix 3 of 3 into 3 order, where you can see this I have made it mark. This is upper triangular matrix, where you can see that the elements 1 1 1 1 2 1 3 and so 1 2 2 2 3 and 3 3, they are the upper triangular matrix. Okay, where you can see. Okay, now similarly there is lower triangular matrix, matrix in which a square matrix A is equal to I is called an upper triangle matrix if Aij is equal to 0 for all I is greater than j. Here you can see the example I have taken 1 0 0 3 into 3 order matrix, and here you can see lower triangular 1 2 3 0. Okay, now let's move on. Now we will see operation on matrices. How to solve the matrices, now we have to see. Okay, do matrices of same order and equal if their corresponding elements are equal. You can see if we have to solve any matrix, we have first their order should be same. Here you can see A11 A12 A21 22. This is 2 into 2 order, and similarly here we can see another matrix B11 B12 B21 B22. Okay, and I have made the arrows how which you will solve the matrix. A1 will be go to B12, A12 will be equal to B11, A21 will be equal to B21, B22, and A22 will be equal to B21. I have taken also example for better understanding for you. Here you can see I have taken a question of 2 into 2 order matrices. Here you can see now 2x plus 4 I have taken here, and as in the above I have told you that A11 should be equal to B12, and